WWE, baby.
Spend some money on just a trip.
Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. I'm your host Sipho Khatebe. Ngiphethe uDumsana umfuka Khumalo la. Dimen ukureni mfowethu.
Ba kunjani?
Siphile
Yeah, yasibonga.
Yeah.
Mfethu uThafu kumele ubingelela abantu bazothi ngiyagwajisa
Ish nawuthi. Sine host yethu yesithathu la. Miss Ghost. Kunjani sis?
Siyaphila, kusiyami njani?
Siyaphila.
Yeah, yeah, I know asibonga sibingelela ama viewers asibonge nokusubscribe abafethu. Ghost.
Yes, welcome to it. It's Timeline Radio Sports, and I'm one of your hosts, the G Lady of the house.
Ala.
Obviously, I can't be seen, but I can be heard. So, this is a show where we help you guys with all the trending, the controversial news, the football news, to say. So, on today's show, we have few topics. So the first one is the AFCON 2025 final review, the midway midweek game results, the PSL fixture conjunction and the unfair play, and the transfer window outcome for players, and lastly the Manchester City fans refund. So gents, are you ready?
More than ready. More than ready.
Okay, so the first topic, it's the Senegal. So the topic is about the Senegal winning the tournament, right? So I want you guys to tell me, ni Boneganjani game, Mani Buga only for the side of Senegal, like how what can we say about the whole thing, the whole tournament based on the Senegal team?
Firstly nje ngizoqala ngokuthanda ukuthi apha mangami. Yeah, no, for me, I think Senegal be loki bonakala ukuthi izo dominate kulo tournament from the start. Yabo, even in Nigeria, yabo, it's unfortunately ukuthi bayabadliwa kuma penalty. So I was hoping to see in Nigeria ne Senegal finally kahle yabo. So but nje mina for mina bengekho surprised nje. Yes, I'm disappointed na some of the actions engwabonile ku final, yabo, and I'm happy that Sadio Mane showed ukuba a true leadership, yabo, because he's the one bengimbona ukuthi uyakhona ukukhuluma nama player nokuthi bakhona ukubuyela egamini futhi, yabo. Yeah.
Sekakhulumile uBhungane sothini. Yeah, mina one other thing engayisho, like I think uSedo Mane ubonisile like leadership serious ukuthi yabona iexperience abenayo kuhamba like all over the world, ubonisile ukuthi at least kuna something ayitholile, ukuyabo. Unlike amanye ama players ukuthi manje azoba yinkinga add ama problems ukuthi ku national team. So yeah, as much as bengayibhekanga Senegal, yes, for mina they looked like a dark horse, because it was just yena uSedo Mane bekabonakala raise isandla sakhe nanani. Okay, yes, badlalile bona ise team, but I hate the likes of Ivory Coast ukuthi mhlambe yibe bangaya go final nanani, plus neMorocco ukuthi izoropa their way out, yabo, baze bathathe cup, but ukuthi unfortunately akwenzakalanga, but ke yeah, big ups to Senegal.
Yeah.
So do you guys think, or the beginning in Senegal winning the AFCON?
For me, I didn't see them winning the AFCON, because I think a team is winning AFCON, it was the Ivory Coast, and then best again fage Morocco due to a system vele, because bahamba system we are go final bafikiswe yiyo. So I think bezo yenza.
Yeah, I mean it was always my wish ukuthi Morocco by expose, yabo. That is the only national team in Africa since from JE World Cup. Their statement in they are not playing for Africa, they are playing for the Muslim community. Young because I was one of the African fans that the supporter. So I was happy this is AFCON baba expose. Yeah, because you know I signal a problem yoguti in North Africa, especially those, I don't want to use the wrong term. But no, it's laba aba light skinned. Yabo, they think they're the whites of Africa. Not only in football. Buya yonkinto. Yabo. So sengiqala ukubaphumela kancane kuyabona. Yes, I know kunalaba abafana nabo Sudan. Abekho kangako kulezinto. But most yabo banjalo, yabo. So for me nje, I'm happy baba exposile, I'm happy badliwe. For me it was fun to see them crying that night, yabo. So nje Senegal ngibone from the word go ukuthi nje bazowina tournament bengibasupporta even kuma group stages. After ngibone nje poor performance bafana I switched to them. Yeah.
Okay, so do you guys have any standouts like players, individuals from the Senegal team?
Bengingafuna ukusho but angina choice. Sadio Mane for me. I mean, bekakora amagola important etournamentini, and for me go final man. I mean like ube a true leader, yabo. So nje yeah.
But don't you think maybe we might have players at the back like Abba deserve, let's say, the awards or Abba be above money, but because of money, like he's the face of the Senegal team, like he's popular, like he is a quality player, but no doubt. But don't you think maybe some of the players did get the award instead of money?
No, I as it goes, I think, as I said, Senegal was underdogs. So it's a team sport, it's a collective results. But the fact they had that one person who will be there and a push and motivation, because they all did well. But Gunalo, Ogoguchi, any other player that was outstanding to your point of city, if you wanna be play a little bit, then they wouldn't have achieved. Because even now, let's cut the coach Ababiza, keep a grounding. It was the same player who was we select grounding, and then Bagwas Gucci like a Kubego, motivator. So that's why I end up like that outstanding player. Besides Uguchi, Ife, Nana, Ugucho, Sega Travelil, and all these other things. But we Senegal, it was not about Gucci Mklambe City, like maybe an unknown player, El Veli, La Shina, La Enza, Miracle. It wasn't about that, but it was just a collective.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't know if okay, obviously each country does have, but don't you think Uguti having someone like Mane in your team, like Hakimi in your team, who's this guy Musala, like it does bring there's sort of a motivation for a team, like having such people, a team in which they do bring that winning spirit.
Mentality,
like, don't you think maybe it's something that other teams maybe they need to have? Yabona, for example, I think Zimbabwe had Umsona, right? Yeah. I remember now he once played Alimele, but and then he came in, he scored, and like, do you think maybe it might have an impact? Like when it comes to winning mentality, having like a star in your team.
It's the same thing that we're saying about Abu Lodge.
Yeah.
Which if you have someone like that, not saying which you should take Utembas Wana Limele or so Jengoba Morocco because then but have someone with like that winning mentality, someone who has traveled, someone who has been there. So so if hey man, mina for me now foster way to bafethu ayakakafiki lapha yana. Like akakafiki.
Yeah, like the same thing you were saying last week, Uguti, you missed team spirit ga Veli Moto. Yabo, isn't this fun nalezo? Last AFCON we saw bega celebrating a team, bega faka umoya lapha on the touchline. Yabo, izo nje into ezifana nalezo ziyasebenza.
Okay, so I want us to go back to a point about the Moroccan team.
Yeah.
So I guess there are rumors that Morocco and KF they want to move to a Europe. So I want us to touch on that. Would you think CAF will be weak or stronger like without Morocco? Does it play like any big part like in the African continent or something?
I think it will be better. No, I think it will be better without them. There is one thing angifuna ukujoina kulento le uphungana ikhuluma indaba yokuthi I hate those people and not that, but there is that mentality yokuthi they are better than us, and not the fact ukuthi ku World Cup bakwazi ukudlula yabona kuma group stages and everything. So I think Africa will be better without them, because sigule situation esikuyo kuyimanje is because of them. Yonke izinto ama bribery nani, so nje it's all about them. So I think Africa will be better without them.
Yeah. Ngoba uqinisile ukhumalo la. If you remove a piece of corruption, kule corruption esinayo, progress le nto leyo, yabo. 2, yazi I can tell you now, last World Cup they were the semi-finalist. Kule World Cup esiya kuyo, they will never reach the semi-final. They will never. I'm telling you now.
Why? It's because of the mentality they have.
No, it's because we have other better African national teams.
Okay.
So if bafuna ukumuvela to Europe, they can always do that. As I was saying before, but they think they are the whites of Africa. That's why they behave Angela Bantu.
But guys, I think even outside of football, like I'm saying in literature, just in general, like you do know, there's always someone or someone or an organization or whatever it's better than the other. Like asibuke just in jail. Masphuma football, we do know maybe black people they don't like get the same treatment as white people with South Africa. And I don't think it's only us as Nalendele. So it's something in corner. Even let's say in a classroom, we know with mhlambe lo ohlakaniphile like always get like a better treatment from the teacher or something. So don't you think it's one of those things in jail? Like they don't really have to go, but they just one of those people
no, because so I'm saying if they feel like they want to go, they might as well go. Angeke ngithi ngokuhamba kweMorocco and then kukhona into esizoyiluza or something like that. And also for a child ehlakaniphile ukuthi ithole special treatment, it's because of uhlakaniphile. There is nothing engathi mina iMorocco isiza ngayo like thina nje, like okay asithathe sibheke like as a continent yini special engathi siya benefit from Morocco. We're not benefiting anything, you see. We're not getting ama player esingathi mhlambe okay ayeza ala South Africa kunento abayenzayo engcono. There is nothing. So bona balapho and they think ukuthi ba ma clever Africans. So if they are clever Africans, let's allow them ukuthi bahambe baba ma ordinary Europeans.
Okay. But it's just to highlight something. So apparently we had this thing before. I think it's Israel. Again, apply to be moved from Africa and be part of the European Union, and succeeded with that. I forgot the other one. Or something. I forgot the name. So if now Morocco is doing that, we should think about other teams as enough. Whoever also on top, don't you think might have the same mentality that I don't belong here now?
No.
I want to move.
No. As I was saying before, Laba they always felt Uguti they are not Africans. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Now we have teams like Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Nigeria.
Yeah.
Whenever they win, they don't feel that way. They always represent Africa. So Laba they will realize when they get there in Europe, Uguti they are still Africans because most of them treat them Africans. Bazos kumbula la.
Do you think they get that treatment compared to?
They do.
Okay.
They do.
So one thing I know is that someone commented on that so if Morocco were unable to win AFCON for like 50 years,
Yeah.
yeah. 50 years when I win. What about Euro?
Cabanga again.
About how many years? Yeah, well. So I
Lifetime.
don't think the standard is all like a standard CC lap for them to move. For me, I don't think it will be a good move for them to move. But if Bafano Kamba, I
think they are ahead more than anything.
Yeah.
Want to win this AFCON. That's why now they want to apply for the European Union. But remember, I used to say with team, geographically they are Africans, but by other things they don't consider themselves Africans. Geographically,
But
by a map, they are Bala, but it's from Dallas.
Yeah.
So now, because if they won the AFCON, I don't think they are gonna post such statements. We'll see they wanna move from that to. Because you're just gonna move
Yeah.
participate to anything. It's African. Care for anything besides the same.
Yeah.
So maybe for Morocco to come out on top. Okay, I need to, there are qualities that each country has. I think, I'm not sure, I stand to be corrected. I think about who's this guy, Mbappe. Like one has something in Morocco in some way. I don't know what happened last year. But like there's a story, I don't know if Ubabuake like he's a Moroccan or whoever,
or something like the visa thing, yeah.
So don't you think when it comes to football, that's one quality they have, you know, because of like maybe some of the players you know, the likes of the other Hakimis and other team members like maybe that even the perception yokuthi vele they're on top ingakho be feeling aba belong to the side.
No, but okay, now we're touching on France. If France in several numbers of African players, it's not just Mbappe kuphela. And so even if noma ngathiwa Mbappe okay sharp uyeza kuthiwa nangu udlalele Morocco, then I don't see ukuthi izoyenza any difference. Like okay, Morocco now says about number 1 in the world. Like as you were saying, we heard about Nigeria, Baba, number 1 in Africa, but they never had that thing. And that's a good clip. I'm not sure what was happening, but it seems like our fans, they were chasing the black fans, which Bahaba Puma Stadium, and not like a final. They are not white enough. Those they are blacks. So in Morocco, it's not about soccer, man. This thing, I think it's about skin color, it's about like bona mabazibheka bazibona
they are racist, those guys.
Bazibona nje banga belong to like the group like South Africa. So I feel good it's more than soccer, this thing.
Yeah. And with the story of Mbappe, I think Umama is Algerian. Then the father is Cameroonian. Yeah.
Okay. Can we move?
Yes, please.
So the Betway Premier League is back. So on our second topic is to come about the results from the midweek matches that we had. So, but one most controversial topic, it was about the Kaizer Chiefs and the Golden Arrows win. So before we touch on that, I'm not sure if you do have the results of the matches, because I think like we had Mamelodi Sundowns playing against Orbit and they won 2-1. I think they won. We also had many teams in Jebewazala, so I'll just check the result from
so njengoba nicheka nisho ukuthi beningabukelanga.
Hayi man, how?
I need to make this khuluma
uzobukela iSundowns man, userious.
Hey, yazi umono yawuzwa nje. Umona.
We had just playing against this Welele. So
Isayizolo le i1-1. That one I saw. Yabona i-Richards Bay ngiyibonile. Angangibuzi ngeSundowns.
Wait. We also had TX Galaxy in the Marumo. We had TX Galaxy in the Marumo Gallants. So it takes Galaxy winning 2-0, and we also had the Golden Arrows and Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs won 1-0, and we had Eskukudeng United and Stellenbosch. We won 1-0 Stellenbosch, and we had Mamelodi Sundowns and the Orbit College, where Mamelodi Sundowns won 2-0, and yeah, those were the matches. So I just want us guys to touch on the Kaizer Chiefs match. So people saying the referee decisions is the one that raised eyebrows for the fans or for people that were watching. How do you guys like ningathini ngalokho nibone kanjani? Did you watch the match?
Yeah, okay. Firstly, kumele si understand ukuthi kunama rules, no? And then how does also your offside actually go about? From the free kick, mangabi free kick isuka, McCarthy was on an onside position. No? And then mangabe lisuka litasha a Kaizer Chiefs player, McCarthy was on an offside position. So that means if ibola lisuka from the Kaizer Chiefs player, Liago McCarthy, then that will be an offside. But now ibola lisuka from the Kaizer Chiefs player, Liago goalkeeper. And then goalkeeper ngaphambili kwe Kaizer Chiefs player uthinta ibola, then it crusher like the offside rule now because of ibola selling ngaphambili. So according to me na lapana akuna Kaizer Chiefs ebenefitile ayikho.
Okay. Ngicela ukubuyela emuva kancane. Last game Kaizer Chiefs before FIFA break, Silva went 1-on-1 no goalkeeper wakora bathi offside aphume phakathi kwabantu. That didn't raise any eyebrows. Chiefs lost 2 points that day. Now, whether this was offside or not, let's say this was offside and an offside, it Chiefs the really a win. Now it raises eyebrows because we winning. It's wrong.
No, it's Kaizer Chiefs against the nation. We understand that.
Yeah, which is wrong. My point is why it Chiefs my rotwa. It's normal. Yeah, badliwe besazi umlilo wamaphepha. Ini. Ba winile manje no ilo referee. Yebo. Yazi this thing ne ifuna ngathi I don't know man ngathi singaba ama true football fans. Yeah. Because we are giving football a bad name ngalento zethu. Why we must celebrate abanye mabadliwe ngo referee. Then complain abanye mabawina ngo referee. My point is that so whether I Chiefs winning or offside or not ba winile. Because the last game badlala draw because of referee. Yabo. So mina nje ipoint yami lapho.
So mina ipoint yami la. Kaizer Chiefs it's not against the nation.
It is.
It's not.
Nation is against.
Oh, the nation is against Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, yeah. It is.
Why are you saying that?
Okay. I-supporter statement saka Pungane lana ukuthi if i-Chiefs ibedliwe or if bekwenzeke whatever, the same coach obekakhuluma lapha obeka complain ngento ngalela goal uthi offside uyo wathi it's our turn to benefit. Yeah, it's our turn to benefit. So if you are benefiting, we're not going to complain. So why now are you complaining if you are not benefiting? Yabo umanqoba mncwethi. We need to understand ukuthi lapha okay, we interpreting ama rules sokuqala. That's not an offside. It might look like an offside, but it's not an offside because ibola selidlulile lathinta ugoalkeeper, lathinta an opponent, from the opponent labuya kulo muntu lo. And le bola libuya kuphi? Libuya from ngaphambi kwakhe liza kuye then yena ufika uyaliqedela. So i-crash offside lento leya. So that was not an offside. Okokuqala lokho. Okwesithu ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs uma ngabe bebathi bekore yona ngale yandlela leyana everyone bekazojabula and bekungeke kukhulunywa indaba zokuthi yazini abanye ba benefitile abanye benzeni bekuyothiwa kumele ku-accept ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs idliwe. Simple. Nation
offside or not, Kaizer Chiefs winile.
So
McCarthy scored.
So I ngimkhulumela umanqoba ne, but I think there's one thing abantu bangayi understand, you mean, when you talk about fans. So one thing about fans is that not even fans, I think the people abasuke on the field on the time, just to go back and that. I think le finally AFCON, ne? as much as the decision, the referee was right about a decision, you would deny the goal, yes, Senegal, ne? And then, the one thing let's go to Ngati who favor in Morocco, it's because Agazangi as a yena no you go bigger, you know, VAR, like VAR.
Yeah, to review, yeah.
Laini, if you do that, Upama player, angazi ini, like it's okay, maybe like I bonan. But now if you're just gonna say, Agazanga ingene no wingene yethu, iba hanging. Then after lap one nigeza in Morocco the penalty. So that's why the players but decided to take a decision about with the coach or with Baham. Leo be good decision here because when we were on the field, we game, right? Same applies to Umangoba. Umangoba because of we bega bugela. Ubone ngati I decision in favor of choose.
Yes.
But I'm definitely sure go to me buga manje about to actually this is not what I was thinking or something.
And then you should come back and fix that thing. Angithi already you have said kunabantu yazi ukuthi we soccer we have like iwing khona abantu asibabiza ngewing. The people that just follow which Kaizer Chiefs winile and then they celebrate with Kaizer Chiefs, that's it. They don't even watch Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs idliwe mangabe uzo explain no man yazi Kaizer Chiefs idlalile they were unlucky no bona banandaba bona bafuna nje ama results. So we have such people ukuthi bakhona mabazoza umanqoba athi ya kudala abantu ba benefita kudala kwenzakala and then that is our turn to benefit. They will go and preach that thing. So kumele abuye azokhuluma ukuthi yazi guys, okay, I thought it was an offside. It's not an offside. We've interpreted that thing then it was not an offside. Because alungise laba bantu labaya laba bamlandelayo ama followers
laba
bamoshile yabo. So for umanqoba ukuthi azothi yena abone ukuthi i-team yakhe iwine kungamelanga iwine makaqeda ayo celebrate le nto leyana ndakhuluma ukuthi abanye abantu baya benefit kumele understand noma ngabadliwe kungamelanga adliwe
ukuthi benefit abanye
yes.
Yeah.
Yabo ku benefit abanye abantu simple.
Hayi ngivumelana nawe.
Kanye nje empilweni yethu sivumelana.
Okay. So but I think Wenze a very important point to everything I share because ukume about VAR. So even if VAR we case that I think based on season. So I think by now we do need.
We don't.
Yes, we do.
We don't.
Like he said something, I don't think we're paying Kabanga all along. He said, so we're not playing for 500,000, but we're playing for 20 million.
Yeah. But you don't need. Remember, if it has one stupid thing about VAR, it's someone else there. Opisa you offside or actually offside. But when the line no scrum now. Okay. If VAR was there in Morocco, ne? Ayingaga ama controversial labantu laba bayibhekile bakhona ku reverse wena awu reverse nakaningi asina nama yini lamantu lama DVD weni lawa ama PVR. We don't have such. Uyibuka kayi1 uyibona ukuthi hayi le you offside le yini but bona these people can even draw lines and everything.
It's not for you but the VAR is to help abantu abaphakathi grounding when you're watching uyakhona ukuyibona when it's like mabakudlalela yona ngithi on the TV but referee the side what the
fourth official and what
like by bona kayi1
I'm saying they're still getting it wrong
but in some it's okay it's better to have inter wrong but ukwazi ukuyibona like ngifila ngathi izosiza nakwento learning same applies to what Senegal did to Morocco maybe right for me ukuthi bahambe. What Chico was saying was he raised the alarm. You know what? We're not gonna take this. This might happen. Same applies to having a VAR. Like some of the teams
guys,
actually they buy.
Okay. Aspege indaba VAR ne. If VAR it does nothing iguma player. If kunjalo then siyavumelana ukuthi game ye South Africa neZimbabwe ithengiwe. Because that guy lo obambe ibhola kwaba ipenalty uyazi ukuthi VAR khona. And uyazi ukuthi noma ngayenzani chances are bazoyicheka le nto le and bayibona ukuthi nangu ibambile. Mina my problem with the VAR ukuthi while kulo iloki ikhona baloku ba opportunity ukuthi babuyele bayibheke still they are making wrong decisions.
Okay.
Still they're making wrong decisions. Just imagine udliwe ne VAR something that will tell you ukuthi na iline lo muntu lo ngapha mara still uyadliwa. There was a game was it Liverpool or Arsenal ngathi bekuyi Liverpool like mfethu omunye uthi onside omunye uthi offside bayaphikisana lapha bathatha i-decision ukuthi hayi no it's a goal ureferee wathi akusi goal still bamyeka igame yaqhubeka.
Okay, the only way for me to understand better is for you to tune in for the second part. Guys, this was our end of our first part. Stay more.
It's the end of the beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the beginning.